What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. In today's video, you're going to see a vlog style video. I don't normally do these, but I had the opportunity to go to New York for a special event thanks to Samsung. And in this vlog, you're going to see me record the whole vlog style video. Any pictures, any video you see, and all audio was recorded with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style video. Let me know down in the comment sections below if you do, and if you would like to see more of this style videos in the future on this channel. So with that being said, let's get right to it, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Samsung is flying us out to New York for a special event on Friday, and I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go. Guys, it just landed in New York, and guess who I saw? Josh fucking Quinones, dude! Is that Josh? Oh my god! Can I get your autograph when you're done?
Autograph later, autograph.
Okay, sorry. Can you believe that? Josh Quinones. Oh my god. Hey Josh,
Hey,
what are you excited about tomorrow?
what am I excited about tomorrow?
Yeah,
Dude, I'm excited for the scavenger hunt that we're going to have. We're going to be live streaming it. We're going to be all competing against each other. It's going to be freaking awesome. All done on the Galaxy S25 Edge.
that's right. The best phone in the world?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm sitting back here with my new homie Matt. Say what's up.
What's up?
Samsung, you gotta give him a Samsung phone because he has an iPhone. He's gonna be the only guy out at the concert with an iPhone. How embarrassing
I'm
is
going to
that?
be the only loser with an iPhone.
You gonna let that happen to him? You gonna let that happen to him? Josh, he's your brother, bro. He should have an iPhone.
Alright, here you go, bro. You should
No,
have an iPhone.
a Samsung. A Samsung. He should have an iPhone. He should have a Samsung.
Stuck in the cloud. Get me out of the cloud, guys.
What cloud?
The iCloud.
The iCloud?
I'm stuck in
Let's
the
team up,
iCloud.
Samsung. Let's get him a new phone.
Let's get him a new phone.
I'm taking donations.
He's willing to make the leap.
I'm going to make
Hey, do you know you can try the Galaxy phone on your iPhone?
You can try the
Yeah.
Galaxy? What did it do? Like
I'll send you the
download it?
link and you can download it and you can try it on your iPhone.
Hey, bro, for real.
There we go.
Hey, why'd you take my room for? Josh, what'd you take the last room for? Josh got me out here waiting. Look at that. I have to wait because he took the last room. Josh took the last room.
It's got the biggest room with a walk-in closet and everything.
Look at that. Look at the zoom capabilities. And we're here. We've made it. This is the room. Thanks, Samsung. The restroom. King bed. We're right here at the world famous Joe Pizza from Spider-Man. Let's get it. Hey, you gonna wait in line? Josh. Oh, he's recording. He's recording. I ain't waiting in line. I ain't waiting in line for that.
One more street, Angel.
All right, we're in the middle of Times Square. You can see right there, Times Square, where they dropped the ball. The ball is like right there. Josh is over there doing something, filming. Chad's over here filming, taking pictures. And this looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Very nice. We're trying to look for some pizza. We're hungry. We tried to go to Joe's Pizza, but it was super packed. I mean, the line was like a couple blocks down. So we're gonna try to see what we can eat right now. We didn't get Joe's Pizza, but we got what?
The best pizza in town, they say. They said it's the best.
Oh, bullshit. This shit's expensive. It wasn't $1. All right, here we go for the taste test.
What do you think?
Dave Portnoy, a solid 3.
Dude, he's got
a desk.
Who got a desk?
Oh, they're taking a video.
Oh, yeah, I'm taking a
Well, I
video.
need a desk, but it's not that big.
Low light capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Look at all these influencers I ran into. What is that? Oh my God, look how thin it is. Damn.
Yeah. They said that one got all the fucking attachments on it. Yeah. Call of Duty and shit.
Get it? Say something. What are the best 2 features of the Samsung Galaxy S25 that you like?
Quiet and powerful. Powerful because they have the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it one of the smoothest and fastest devices you can get on the market.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Right, is the next morning, and last night or yesterday was a blast. We're getting ready to go have some breakfast with the guys. We're gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna explore a little bit more of New York until around 5 o'clock when we get ready for the event. We're gonna have to get, and the event starts at 5. And we gotta get ready at 5, and the event starts from 6. And you guys are coming along with let's get the day started. We're supposed to go eat breakfast, but we're here, we're waiting in the lobby for Josh and his brother any day now. It's been like 2 hours we've been waiting. We're hungry.
2 hours.
We're hungry. We're hungry. Feed us. Please feed us. Help.
Have you done a video on that?
Yeah. Oh, run it up. Guys are super late. We waited like 2 hours to eat breakfast. I was in the lobby for 2 hours.
30 minutes later.
Were you really?
No, he wasn't.
All right, so our adventure for today, before we hit the main event, is we're gonna go to Central Park.
Yeah.
And we're gonna take the subway.
Yes, sir. First time on the subway.
Let's
See how
get it.
goes.
So we're walking Central Park, and that's the Friends Fountain right there. And I'm along with some friends as well. Right there, right there, and right there. But something interesting happened while we were taking a nice stroll through the park, and we saw a lovely couple taking some wedding photos.
Yeah.
Wedding photos, and I happened to capture a picture of them with my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and they were very, very happy with the pictures we took. And I think we put that photographer out of business thanks to the Samsung Galaxy S25.
Yeah. 25 inch is pretty sick, dude.
Putting people out of business because, you know, the Ultra is like the best option out there.
Dude, look at the great pictures I'm getting with the S25 Edge right here, dude.
Run it up. Run it up.
Dude, that's
That
sick, right?
photo sucks, but
Dude.
don't worry, guys.
It's S25 Edge, bro.
Yeah, look at the Ultra.
Sneak peek. By the time you guys see this, that S25 Edge will be out, so make sure you go ahead and get yourself an S25 Edge.
Oh.
Yeah, mine's the Ultra.
It's the Ultra commercial, dude. You messed
Oh, okay,
up.
my bad.
What do you mean? Get out of here, dude. Get out of here. Nobody wants the Edge.
Hold up.
It gets hot. Battery life.
Damn, look how thin.
Alright, that is pretty good. Anyway.
All right, we're taking a little break and gonna grab some lunch before we head back to the hotel and get ready for the main event of the evening. Woo-hoo-hoo. Can't wait to tell you who it is. Can't tell you who's gonna be there. Can't tell you anything about it until you see it, right?
It's on the website.
Everybody knows who's going to be there.
Not them. They don't know.
They probably do.
Josh.
You guys know? Josh Quinones is gonna be there. Gregos from Gregos TV is gonna be there. Out of this world, Gadget Beer is gonna be there. How to Man.
How to Man.
By the way, he's gonna rebrand.
I'm gonna. He's gonna what?
How to Men. How to Men. Psych.
What?
When does your next video drop?
Oh, June 1st.
June 1st.
Best.
Oh, in a couple days.
Yeah.
Make sure you go watch that for all your apps. The best apps of
The month.
which is
June 1st.
June 1st. He'll tell you what apps to use, right?
15 of them.
15, not 10,
15.
not 5, but 15. All right, we're gonna eat here at Black Iron Burger. We're here with the one and only
I can't wait to watch this vlog.
Josh Quinones.
Josh Quinones.
It's gonna be
What's up,
like
everybody? Josh Quinones here, so check it out. Today we are at the Black Iron Burger. I am thinking about getting the Black Iron, but you know what? They also have a special for the Smash Black Burger. Come up with double all-natural beef patty, caramelized grilled onions, American cheese, and pickles, jalapenos, ketchup, mustard, and mayo.
Fire. Promo. How much did they pay you for that?
How much they pay you for that?
Yeah, off the cuff. My boy does it off the cuff. No scripts. No scripts, nothing. Off the cuff. Yeah. The best barber in the world right here.
We out here at NYC. It's your boy Rich Blends coming straight from Cali. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
Right here, Black Iron Burger. About to get it. See what's good.
Damn, see? Brothers.
Yes,
He's gonna fade me up right before the event.
Yes, sir.
Oh, shoot.
Man, I'm gonna have to bring my clippers next time. You know, get everybody right.
Damn, because he said we're out here looking raggedy.
I should have. I told him to. I was like, should I bring my clippers? I could have cleaned all you guys up.
We're about to eat real quick then. Enjoy these good burgers. And I don't even know if they're good, to be honest.
We'll see.
We'll see. Peace. All right.
During the summer.
We're going back to the room and get ready for the main event of the evening.
We're gonna go live tonight.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to
We're gonna see
go.
this after the
He's
live.
gonna go live, so make sure you tune in.
He's gonna go live too.
He's gonna go live too. Might as well.
Yeah, everyone's
All right.
on. Everyone's
Everyone's going live.
You guys,
Let's go.
you guys are the weakest
Yeah.
links later.
Actually, you know what? I quit.
He's
quit.
great. All right, so we're at the event. We're waiting to get in. I just had to use the restroom real quick, but check out these nice stairs here. So we're gonna go into the meeting area, and then I'll record a little bit right there. And let's hope that the night goes good and we have a fun time. Let's do it.
It's Doechii. Due to copyright laws, I could not play the music. So enjoy this free copyright music from epidemicsound.com. Nice outfit. Bro, who brought a iPhone today? Samsung event. Look at the swamp. Princes go. She said get a Samsung Galaxy S25 inch. I almost got karate kicked by her.
That's right, man. Cut through that shit.
Did you see Doechii?
No.
No? Wait.
Recording you.
I'm recording you.
Oh.
Did you see Doechii?
Yeah, through the TV. It was pretty awesome.
She was great.
Did you see Doechii too?
I saw Doechii. She was great.
I didn't see
my
Doechii.
favorite song. You know what
I
song
didn't
she
see
played?
Doechii.
She said anxiety.
No, she did not.
Nah,
she played this
She
song.
actually didn't.
She
The
played
song that everybody knows. The song that everybody knows. She didn't play.
And she played something about getting your dick sucked, getting your dick
Hey,
licked,
yo, hey.
something about
Hey,
that.
this is PG on YouTube.
No, it's not PG on my channel. Go.
Click.
You gotta do the whole.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Oh, that's what you're messed up.
Oh,
You
what?
Oh wait. I thought
We got 35 minutes left. Let's go.
5 minutes.
Like I said, that's not on my channel. We get it down right here, okay? That is it, guys. Take two. Boy, you've made it all the way to the end of the vlog. And if you made it this far, make sure you comment. Josh is the best.
Josh is the
Josh
best.
is the best. My boy right here. If you, anything Samsung, anything
I'll link
Android.
my channel down in the pinned comment.
Anything TV. He's probably gonna be the only comment on this video, anyways. So make sure you go and subscribe to my boy right
That's
here,
right.
and his boy right here, his brother Matt,
Yeah.
who cuts YG's hair.
Yeah.
That's
Wait,
what's
what?
up. Yeah, make sure you follow him on Instagram. Pop it up right here. Pop it up right here is up. Sorry, that is the end of the video. I'll catch you guys back home when I get home. Oh.
Excuse me, guys.